And here we go. Modified Chevy Chevelle fans. 1970. Completely monotone blacked out. Look at this monster in there. That is pretty. Let's look at the data sheet here, what they got. 605 cubic inch. How about that? Stunning 70 Chevrolet Chevelle is a legendary muscle car brought into the modern era. Auto Magic. Modified dash with air. Just imagine if Detroit was doing this back in the day with the cars. This car is in inventory at Sarasota, Classic Cars of Sarasota. And Paul Megan is the salesperson, so if it's something that interests you, feel free to call Paul. And you can look them up on the internet, Classic Cars of Sarasota, US 301. And that, my friends, is what you call a monster. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.